Very good morning, my dear students. How are you? You all are fine. Wow, thank you. One thing, my dear students, I am so much happy with you today. If you ask me, sir, why? क्यों सर इतना खुश क्यों हमारे ऊपर? Yes, there is a reason. What is the reason? बताओ. Very good. When I came into this classroom, outside this room, and you all, my dear students, so nicely you have arranged your shoes properly in a systematic way. My goodness, really many thanks to all my dear students. You learned from Odeon Learning, yes or no? Do you know, my dear students, in our Odeon Learning, apart from this formal education, we have been also providing you certain inspirational, or you can say certain motivational classes that helps a lot. From your bookish knowledge, certain knowledge you must be required. That is called as Vyavaharik Gyan. This is called as bookish knowledge. That knowledge, that Gyan you have been collecting from your normal books, your formal books. But apart from that, there are certain important points that there we must learn from these motivational classes, as well as you can say from your inspirational classes. My dear students, again also many thanks to you. So nicely you have arranged your shoes outside. Girls separate, boys separate in a systematic way. You have sorted your shoes outside your classroom. Yes or no? So nicely you have sorted it. Very good. My dear students, whenever you are going to purchase a shoe, then you are going directly to which shop? A grocery or a medicine shop or a hotel? Okay, Dinesh batao, which shop? Oh, shoe house. Very good. Why you are going to purchase a shoe from shoe house? Because that shop, ये दुकान properly or specifically is mentioned only to sell the shoes, and we are there to purchase. So हमको खरीदना है बेटा, जहाँ पे मिलेगा वहाँ पे जाके सो फिर खरीद के लाना. तो shoe, where it is available? In the shoe shop, shoe house. Again also I will ask you, if you go to purchase one medicines, doctor has given one prescriptions, दवाई लिख दिया डॉक्टर लोग ने, तो हमको दवाई के दुकान तक जाना पड़ेगा. Okay, when we'll go and enter into a medicine shop, we'll show the prescriptions, the shopkeeper search the medicines. Okay, जो दवाई लिखा हुआ, एक नंबर में एक दवाई, दूसरे नंबर में एक दवाई, तीसरे नंबर पे और एक दवाई. And the shopkeeper is searching. First of all, if the number one medicine is written Alka-Self, okay, where he will search, the shopkeeper will search where according to the alphabet, if the medicine are arranged in that showcase. Okay, maybe in alphabetical order, Alka-Self, Alprazolam, Alkonoid, all these, or maybe in another ways there, according to the different pharmaceutical company. Because there are so many pharmaceutical organization. दवाई की कंपनी ढेर सा कंपनी है बेटा. ये कंपनी के मुताबिक वो भी सजावट करके ये शोकेस के अंदर रख सकता है. It is depend upon the concerned shopkeeper. But so nicely, so properly they have arranged, they have sorted all the medicines in their showcase in the racks, and instantly they will bring that medicine from the specific rack and giving the patients. Yes, my dear students, whenever you returning to your home, क्लास खत्म होने के बाद जब घर वापस जाता है बेटा, स्कूल खत्म हो गया है तो घर में पहुंचते पहुंचते क्या करते बेटा बताओ. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू कीप योर स्कूल बैग, देन यू हैव टू ओपन योर शूज और योर सॉक्स, योर टाइज, योर बेल्ट एंड एवरीथिंग. बट व्हाट आर यू डूइंग? What are you doing? You have been keeping wherever you have to keep the shoes properly on the shoe stand, bag on your study table, tie, belt with the rack, or you can say the hanger. Everything is fixed for that. Why? Because the next day, when you will be prepared to come down the institution or your school, कल जब फिर दोबारा आपको स्कूल आना पड़ेगा, पहले से तो आपको तैयार करना पड़ेगा बेटा. तैयार करने का टाइम पे क्या होता है? यू हैव टू सर्च, वेयर इज माई स्कूल यूनिफॉर्म, वेयर इज माई स्कूल बैग, वेयर इज माई टाई, वेयर इज माई बेल्ट, ऑल दिस थिंग्स. So nicely, if you have to arrange everything properly in a systematic way at your home, the next day it will become more easier for you. Indirectly, my dear students, do you know? If you will keep in a proper way or in a systematic way everything, it helps a lot. For what? कारण क्या है बेटा? क्यों करें ये सब? ये करने का इरादा क्या है बेटा? मन में क्या चलता है? इस सब करने से क्या होता है बेटा? Yes, it is essential. What is that? Our lifestyle will become much more easier. पता चलता है ना बेटा? सब कुछ सही सलामत सही टाइम पे सही ढंग से होता है. Everything is going in a systematic way and in due course of time, and that will help a lot us for our ideal life. Yes or no? That's why, my dear students, today we'll discuss about from your science book chapter number 2, sorting materials into groups. Sorting materials into groups. पहले तो जानकारी होना चाहिए ना, कौन सा मटेरियल है, कैसे उसको सेटिंग करें, क्या इसके अंदर क्या क्या चीज़ होता है बेटा, ये मटेरियल्स को ग्रुपिंग करने के लिए सॉर्टिंग करने के लिए क्या क्या तरीका होता है, प्रिंसिपल क्या है, रूल्स क्या है, ये सब जानकारी इन योर स्टैंडर्ड, यू आर इन स्टैंडर्ड 6, in your standard 6 science book, this is chapter 2. It is an excellent chapter that is called as sorting materials into groups. My dear students, please be confident and be attentive in the class. I have already told you how much you will keep your concentration in the class. That is depend upon your result, your performances. If you keep concentration, be attentive in the class, my dear students, I am telling you, I am Dr. Ajit Kumar Rana, your science faculty. It is a challenge from me and also from my organization, that is Odeon Learning. Do you know? So nicely my organization has been preparing not only science, all the subjects related to the classes. So nicely with certain picturization, excellent diagrams, excellent notes and excellent faculty with very good explanation. इतना सुंदर तो पूछो मत. लेकिन मम्मी ने खाना दे दिया प्लेट के अंदर. वी आर फॉन्ड ऑफ मटन. आज मटन मम्मी ने दे दिया, चावल दे दिया, फिर सैलड दे दिया, दाल दे दिया. लेकिन खाना जब अंदर जाए तब वाह शो यमी मम्मा, बहुत ही सुंदर, बहुत ही सुंदर. तो कब होगा, कैसे होगा? जब खाएं, जब अंदर लें तब जाके. So for that we must have to intake the food. Like this, my dear students, from Odeon Learning, so nicely we have been preparing all the lessons. If you are unable to attentive in the class, you are unable to practice everything after going into your home, then nobody can help you. But my dear student, it is challenge from me, challenge from Odeon Learning. If you thoroughly go through all the notes that is prepared by our Odeon Learning organizations, you must have to secure minimum 95% in each and every subject. It's a challenge from us. Okay, beta, thank you. Again, also thanks. So nicely we arranged all your shoes outside of the classroom. Yes or no? So my dear students will enter into sorting materials into groups today. Okay. First of all, there are 1, 2, 3, 4 वर्ड्स, 4 शब्द. ये 4 शब्द के बारे में पहले हमको जानकारी हासिल करना चाहिए, तब जाके हम डिस्कस करेंगे इसके अंदर क्या है बेटा. कितना सारा चीज़, उसको समझने से पहले क्या करना चाहिए, एक एक करके वन स्टेप, नेक्स्ट स्टेप, नेक्स्ट स्टेप, अकॉर्डिंग विल प्रोसीड एंड we all should be fulfill our aim and objective for this subject. Yes and no? Very good. First of all, what is sorting? Sorting क्या होता है बेटा? Sorting, arrange properly, सजावट करके सही सलामत सही ढंग से सजावट करके रखना. That is called as sorting. Materials किसको रखना बेटा? Materials. There are so many objects around us. घर में देखो, बाहर में देखो, स्कूल में देखो, ये क्लास के अंदर में भी देखो आप, कई सारी चीज़ है. There are so many objects on day-to-day life. We all have been visualizing. We all have been interacting with that objects for our certain activities. and that objects is made up of with certain materials, and that materials will go for a sorting purposes. सजावट के रखना, सही सलामत रखना, ग्रुपिंग कैसे करना बेटा, इनटू ग्रुप्स, भाग भाग करके रखना। भाग किस ढंग से करना चाहिए, चले वी आर गोइंग टू ए मल। मम्मी ने एक पर्चा लिख के दे दिया, बेटा जाओ ये जो मल है ये मल से खरीद के लाना। लिस्ट पे हैं मसाला, हल्दी, मिर्ची, कई सारी, chili powder, coriander powder, you should know there are so many masala items are there. Then biscuit items are there. Then other grocery items are there. What to do? We'll search the entire rack where it is available. Ask the peoples, those who are present there. भैया बताओ तो मर्चा जितना सारा, इतना सारा सजावट करके आपने रखा, तो ये सजावट के अंदर कहाँ से मिलेगा इतना सारा मसाला? तो जब बताएंगे तो उधर जाओ, इधर जाओ, ये कोने पे, वो कोने पे, राइट टर्न, लेफ्ट टर्न, वी आर मूविंग हियर एंड देयर एंड वाचिंग. Why it is? Because there are thousands grocery items are there. But to get it easily in a mall, they have arranged it properly. This rack, this space is specifically meant for all the masalas. Yes, you know, curry powder, no onion, no garlic. Yes, you know, haldi powder. Like this, there are so many masalas are there. This rack is specifically for the masalas. They look for another kernel, all the different oils are there. Different companies' oils are there. Different types of oils are there. Yes or no? Accordingly, my dear students, so we make a group. अलग अलग करके पार्ट करके सजावट करके रखने से क्या होता है बेटा, जब चाहे जानकारी हासिल करने के लिए इजीली वी कैन गो थ्रू, जब चाहे यूटिलाइजेशन पर्पस के लिए विल गो थ्रू, जब चाहे anything will go for a relation with that specific materials or that object, easily we can do. So it is essential for us. This chapter is called as sorting materials into groups. Let's will proceed forward. All these things having such an excellent topic, it is essential for all of us. Not only you'll think that we are reading in standard 6, so that's why Sir told this specific topic is related to us only. No, we all are involved with this type of materials object in daily life. 24 into 7 into 365 we can say. Very good. Then we'll think about what today we are going to talk about something that affects our lives every day, that I already told you. But we may not always think what to think. क्या सोचना है बेटा? In our lives every day, we may not always think about what? It sorting materials into groups. Whether it's separating your laundry or recycling your plastics, sorting is an important part of our daily routine. गंदा कपड़ा क्या करना है, लॉन्ड्री पर्पस के लिए दूसरा जगह पे या कोई अलग बैग के अंदर या कोई अलग कंटेनर के अंदर डालना, वहाँ पे रखना. दैट इज मेंट फॉर लॉन्ड्री. जैसे डस्टबिन होता है, कचरा होता है बाहर फेंकने के लिए, विल कीप इनसाइड द डस्टबिन. देन द पीपल्स बिलोंग्स टू आवर म्युनिसिपैलिटी कॉर्पोरेशन, दे विल कम, दे विल टेक अवे. Okay, like this. My dear students, you can imagine all this sorting of materials is helps a lot for all the human beings. Not only you, not only I, and not only our students, but also it helps a lot to all the peoples of our surroundings, or you can say the entire environment. You should know. So my dear students, there are several items everywhere around us. यू ऑल नो जी, जैसे पेपर प्रोड्यूस्ड फ्रॉम वुड, ये सुन लो, आपने पेपर देखा, योर नोटबुक्स आर देयर, योर बुक्स आर देयर, ओके, आई एम जस्ट शोइंग यू योर बुक्स, दिस इज योर बुक, यस नो, दिस इज योर साइंस बुक, यस नो, दिस इज योर साइंस बुक, this is made up of what? Like different papers, these are the different papers, all these papers, okay, this book is made up of with papers, you should know. Paper produced from, कहाँ से मिलता है बेटा पेपर? There are so many things that mix up and prepare the papers, but the major one, the most one is called as your wood. This is called as your what? Wood. लकड़ी से बनता है बेटा, हाँ है ना, पेड़ जो होता है ना, पेड़ बड़ा बड़ा, वही. Glass bulbs with metal filament. You have already seen that glass bulbs that we have been using at home. You should know inside that filament is there, very thin, just like this. This is called as the filament. You should know. Next, silk and cotton clothing. Our cloth is dress materials that is made up of silk and also cotton. Natural and synthetic. Cotton is natural, silk is synthetic. Synthetic? No. Silkworm is there. Silkworm is there that produce the silk. But synthetic is nylon, terylin, terrycot. If you go to a cloth store and will ask the shopkeeper, they will show you so many clothes, and they will also ask you, say this is made up of nylon, this is made up of terylin, this is made of terrycot, this is made up of silk, this is made up of cotton. It depends upon you what to purchase, for what purpose. You should know. These are all about your different that materials that is mixed or alone. They have been producing what? An object. Next one, stainless steel utensils. Stainless steel. This is made up of with what? Stainless steel. Stainless, there is a meaning. Stain means you have machined certain irons. If you have to expose it outside for a long time, that will become rust. You should know. Certain stain was there. You should know. But this material, this steel, it never become what? That what? Stain. Stain will not be here. Accordingly, it is called as stainless steel. And that's why this material, or you can say this object, is made up of with stainless steel. Yes and no. But there are so many other items. They are not stainless with stain. This is rusting and iron. That is there. Okay. These are all the factors we can say, my dear. So many objects are there. Just give a look here. So nice, our audio learning has prepared this lesson with excellent diagrams. बहुत ही सुंदर picturization के साथ साथ. All these spoons are there, different fork spoon, normal spoons. इधर चाकू भी है, कई सारी चीज होता है बेटा. Okay. Then we'll go for, okay, my dear students, you have seen there are so many items, and all these items, my dear, maybe you can say all these objects, my dear, not only we can constrain them into a specific or a little bit quantity. अनकाउंटेबल, यू कैंट काउंट, 1 2 3 4 5 ऐसे लिखते रहना, इज ए कंटिन्यूस प्रोसेस. So you can find here desk is there, or you can say table is there. Okay, cap is there. We have also cap. This is a cap. Yes or no? How I am looking? Smart. Okay. Do you need? Okay. After this class, you all should wear once a time, and I'll keep one photograph from each and every students. Very good. Then lock is there. We need a lock. Yes or no? This is lock. Yes or no? Mind you, students, bucket is there, and also Babre Bhavan tree is there. There are so many objects that there we have found in our environment. Yes or no? That is there. Mind you, students, this is called as your objects around us. चारों तरफ जितना सारा ऑब्जेक्ट है, बस इतना नो, इससे भी ज़्यादा, कहीं ज़्यादा. I have told you before some minutes. Mind the students, all these objects you can see, and you can say the materials, or you can say, mind the students, what is the relationship between objects and materials? Just before some minutes I have already told you these two words regularly or continuously, that is called as your objects as well as the materials. Okay, my dear, objects and materials. So what is object and why it is called as the materials? What is the differentiation between objects and materials? Okay, first of all, we'll go for the object. What is object? Okay, no issue. It's very simple. Please keep your concentration. Note down all the notes, as well as give an excellent look to all the pictures. So nicely, our audio learning has prepared it. I am Dr. Jeet Kumar Rana, your science faculty. I am explaining everything in front of you in this science class. Thank you. What is called as an object? Object का मतलब क्या होता है? Definition क्या है? इसका मतलब क्या है? Anything that can be seen, दिखाई देती, or touched, छू लेती. This is a lock. I'll touch it. आंखें बंद करके if I will touch it, then I can feel, yes, this is a lock. Blindly I can tell you after touching only. दिखने से तो पता चलता है this is a lock. आंखें बंद करके ना दिख के if I will touch it, तो I can also explain you, yes sir, this is a lock. Okay, considered as an object. ये सब one ऑब्जेक्ट है, माना जाता है कि they are an object. For instance, a water bottle, पानी का बॉटल, this is an object. A water bottle, a mirror, this is a mirror. हाँ या ना? This is called as the mirror. Okay. A table, we have already seen. A piece of clothing, क्लॉथ का एक टुकड़ा. ओके, पीस ऑफ क्लॉथिंग. yes or no? We can utilizing as a handkerchief, as a small towel, for all the purposes. You all aware about it, no need to explain. Yes or no? Good. Then this is called as an object. All are called as an object. Then what is the materials? Materials क्या होता है? द टर्म मटेरियल, ये मटेरियल जो शब्द होता है ना बेटा, हाँ, जो टर्म होता है, डिस्क्राइब्स द रॉ मटेरियल यूज्ड टू क्रिएट द ऑब्जेक्ट. जो चीज को लेके ये बना हुआ, ये बनाने के लिए जो चीज का जरूरत पड़ा बेटा, कोई जरूरत चीज को लेके जो बना हुआ, वो जो बना हुआ चीज ना, वो है ऑब्जेक्ट. जिस चीज को लेकर बना हुआ, वो चीज को सब मिला के बोलते मटेरियल्स. यस एंड नो? क्लियर? कंसेप्ट शुड बी क्लियर. मन में सोच सही होना चाहिए, गलत नहीं. Am I clear? Good. Example like चलो, for instance, a water bottle, a mirror, a table, etc. all constructed of plastic, glass और wood. मिरर के बारे में सोचो. मिरर, ग्लास, शीशा, इसमें बना हूं। ग्लास कवर्ड विथ प्लास्टिक्स, ना टूटने के लिए, गिर जाए तो इतना जल्दी ना टूटे, टू प्रोटेक्ट दिस ग्लास ऑफ द मिरर। ओके, देन यू कैन से दिस पीस ऑफ क्लॉथ्स मेड अप ऑफ कॉटन, सूती, हाँ या ना, इसके जरिए बना हुआ। चलिए फिर दिस इज ए ट्रॉफी, दिस इज ए ट्रॉफी। Do you know, in our ODL learning, we will be conducted different competitions among all of you, all students, and those who will become the winner will provide them not this trophy, like this excellent trophy, scholarship award. So many awards are there from ODL learning. एंड टू बिकम ए विनर आपको क्या करना जरूरी है बताओ? हाँ, दीपंकर कुछ बोलता। दीपंकर बोल बेटा। ओ अच्छा पढ़ाई करना। वेरी गुड, कीप इट। पता चला अभी, समझ में आई या समझ ना पाई है? समझ में आई। धीरे धीरे सब कुछ समझ जाई मेरे बहन और भाई। चले, अच्छा से पढ़ाई करना, तब जाके बिकम द विनर। जब विनर बने फ्रॉम ओडियन लर्निंग विल प्रोवाइड यू एन एक्सलेंट ट्रॉफी टू ईच एंड एवरी स्टूडेंट्स। एंड टू बिकम ए विनर क्या करना चाहिए? अच्छा से पढ़ाई करना चाहिए, ध्यान देना चाहिए, टू बी कंसेंट्रेटेड। एंड वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट दिस ट्रॉफी। एंड दिस ट्रॉफी, ये ट्रॉफी बेटा द बेस इज मेड अप ऑफ वुड, पीछे भी वुड लगा हुआ देखो, इट इज मेड अप ऑफ वुड एंड ऑल्सो मेटल्स आर देयर हियर, सर्टन मेटल्स shining, that metals are shining, so these metals are there. So this is a trophy made up of wood as well as certain metals, and these metals and wood are called as the materials used a trophy, and the trophy is called as an object. अभी पता चला, ट्रॉफी को मानते अन ऑब्जेक्ट। वुड और मेटल्स, ये दोनों चीज को लेके बना हुआ ना ये ट्रॉफी। ये वुड और मेटल्स आर कॉल्ड द मटेरियल्स ऑफ दिस ट्रॉफी एंड द ऑब्जेक्ट इज कॉल्ड एज द ट्रॉफी। डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? अभी पता चला? वेरी गुड। ये पानी का बटल, वी आर ड्रिंकिंग वाटर विद द हेल्प ऑफ दिस बटल है। ये जो प्लास्टिक का बटल है ना, वो किससे बनता है बेटा? प्लास्टिक, टुकड़ा टुकड़ा प्लास्टिक को लेकर देयर इज ए फैक्ट्री एंड ऑल प्रोसेसेस आर गोइंग ऑन एंड एट एंड bottles are manufactured or prepared in the factory. Like this, there are so many objects are there in our environment around us, and they are made up of with certain materials. So this is the differentiation between object as well as the materials. Am I clear? You just see so many important items or objects that is available in our entire environment. Mirror is there, plastic bottle is there, ये लकड़ी है ना बेटा, wood is there, then different plastics items are there. All are called as different objects made up of with different materials. जो बना हुआ वो ऑब्जेक्ट, जिसको लेके बना हुआ materials. Now it is clear, I think so. My dear students, will proceed to the next one. Okay, these are called as objects and they are called as the materials. We then found that objects around us are made of different materials. सबसे ध्यान देना बेटा, इंपॉर्टेंट चीज होता है, made up of different materials. Object is different, so material is different. Like this. At times an object is made of single materials. One objects are they are made up of only with the help of single material. एक ही material को लेके एक ही object बना हुआ, ये मतलब वही है। फिर दूसरा पॉइंट देखें, an object could also be made of many different materials. Like trophy, I have shown you. I've already shown you. This trophy is made up of wood as well as the metals. Different materials are there. Wood is there. Wood is one material and the metals are another material. Two types of materials has to made up of this trophy. And here the water bottle I have already shown you. This water bottle is made up of with the help of only one material, that is called the plastic. Am I clear? So my dear students, here so important points, please be reminded. I am telling you, always and always an object could also be made of many different materials. Maybe a single material, maybe different materials. Then again one material could be used for making many different objects. लेके चलिए बेटा, मान के चलिए this is a water bottle and it is made up of with one material that is called as plastic, and only plastic materials is not helps to prepare or to manufacture or to produce this water bottle my dear. ये प्लास्टिक से सिर्फ एक ही वाटर बॉटल नहीं बनता है बेटा, वाटर बॉटल के अलावा कई सारी चीज भी बनता है बेटा. ये देखो, दिस इज ए सीजर, ये कैंची है ना, ये कैंची का उसको पकड़ने के लिए जो होता है ना, ये वाला प्लास्टिक है बेटा, और ये ऊपर वाला ये मेटल है. प्लास्टिक एंड मेटल. And my dear students, this mirror also. Mirror is made up of the glass. That is the material. And not only one material. And this mirror is also helps to protect the glass. Then plastic cover is there. And this mirror is looking very beautiful. It is made up of two materials. One is glass and the second one is covered by the plastic. So plastic here helps in case of mirror to protect the glass. Here the plastics helps directly to prepare, to manufacture, to produce this bottle. Here also the plastic helps for this seizure as well as the metals, and there are so many things around us. All the objects, they may be produced or manufactured with the help of one material or many materials, or one material can produce so many different types of what? Objects. Next, we need to know more about different materials by its properties and characteristics. ये क्वेश्चन बेटा we all should ask to ourselves. खुद को पूछना चाहिए. Okay, sir, you told there are different materials. They have been preparing so many objects. Good. Next also, sir, one material can produce one object. Yes, it is also correct. So many materials can produce one object. Yes, it is also correct. इतना सारा मिला जुला के ये जो पॉइंट्स आता है ना बेटा, व्हाट इज द सॉल्यूशन? क्यों ये होता है बेटा? ये क्वेश्चन तो पूछो, अपने आप को पूछो, मुझे भी पूछो. आई एम ऑल्सो आस्किंग यू. क्या होता है क्वेश्चन? बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. सर, कौन सा ऐसे चीज होता है, क्यों ये सब होता है? कई सारी मटेरियल्स को लेके एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट बनता है, एक ही मटेरियल को लेके एक ही ऑब्जेक्ट बनता है. क्यों ऐसे होता है? कारण क्या है उनका पीछे? वही तो ना बेटा, वही कारण के लिए टुडे वी आर डिस्कसिंग अबाउट दिस सॉर्टिंग मटेरियल्स इनटू ग्रुप्स. कारण क्या है? वही जो कारण है ना, दैट इज कॉल्ड एज द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और प्रॉपर्टीज. इट इज डिपेंड अपॉन द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स और प्रॉपर्टीज, द क्वालिटीज ऑफ द मटेरियल्स. जो गुण है इसके अंदर, जो चरित्र है, वो जो मटेरियल का जो चरित्र होता है, जो स्वभाव होता है, क्या वही स्वभाव को लेकर, वही चरित्र को लेकर, गुण को लेके वो जो मटेरियल्स होता है ना बेटा, वो उसमें खुद क्या करता है बेटा, कई सारी ऑब्जेक्ट्स को बना लेता है. सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट होता है द कैरेक्टरिस्टिक्स as well as you can say, or it is the properties, the qualities. the characteristics, all are there. And now, my dear students, we will discuss one by one. All the characteristics of the properties are involved with these materials to prepare, to form, or to manufacture, or to produce an object.